Big ticket commissions, review, demo, and $3,997 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, and this is my big ticket commissions review, a brand new product released by Glenn Kosky. Now this is a massive done for you software that generates high ticket commissions for you. Okay, so I'm going to show you everything there is to know about this product, and I have a huge bonus worth almost $4,000. So if you want to get in on these big commissions, not $5, $10, $15, this is the product for you. Okay, let me share my screen, let's jump into it. Even before I'm going to show you the sales page, just to go to ClickBank and see what type of commissions you could be earning. Okay, so you have some done for you products and done for you campaigns included, but you can promote any other product you want. Okay, so instead of making $5, $10, $15, $25 commissions, you can just pick up any ClickBank product right here from the e-business and e-marketing edge. As you can see, number one by Alex Krulik, my good friend, is actually $1,549 per sale. Pretty amazing, right? Comparing this to $5 or $10 is just blows it out of the water. Google Sniper, $1,000, Million Dollar Society, $786. You get the point, you know, instead of making these small tiny commissions, and maybe even if you're gonna get 100 sales for $5, it's $500. One sale, Magic Submitter by Alex Krulik, 1,500. No comparison whatsoever. Right now, let's check out this sales page. Okay, so this is the sales page, and as you can see, it says Big Ticket Commissions, the world's first automated $1,000 high ticket app. Brand new one. Click secret app generates instant high ticket commissions and red hot buyer traffic in 60 seconds. I didn't mention that traffic is included with this. I'm going to show you all of that in a second. So again, $1,000 commissions, 100% done for you. The sales page is pretty long, so I want to go through some key points, 3 simple steps. Again, I'm going to show you that in a second. As you can see, massive proof behind it. So again, these are big ticket commissions, some testimonials. Glenn Kosky, that's the guy behind the product. You probably know him, you probably know his products, always amazing, and they work really, really well. You can build a list off of it. Okay, so an autoresponder integration is actually one of the options. I'm going to show you that in a second as well. Again, just massive proof behind it. Testimonials, big ticket commissions, that's the name of this product, and this is my big ticket commissions review. So he's just telling you what you're getting inside, and again, I'm going to show you that in a second. These bonuses are for everyone. Now you're going to get my bonuses on top of whatever is mentioned on the sales page. 30 days money back guarantee, that's essentially it. And as you can see, the price is $17, but we will talk about pricing as well in a second. Okay, now this is the dashboard. This is what you will see after picking it up. So as you can see, we have the welcome video right here. We have the My Profile tab, which means that you can just edit your profile, you know, add your name, upgrade your membership, etc. Then we have autoresponder. With the autoresponder, you can connect any of the major autoresponders. Obviously, you can build a list as well as get on these big ticket commissions. So we have Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, ConvertKit, SendLane, ActiveCampaign, Sendyo, Constant Contact, you know, all the big ones. You know the drill. Now, let me click on new campaigns. Let's just give you an idea. I'm not going to be creating a new campaign from scratch, but just to show you how easy this is, you have all the opt-in pages, webinar pages, download pages included with this. Okay, so essentially you just have to pick the one that you want to promote. Let's click on create, and this is a simple 3-step process. So as you can see, you're just gonna enter the page title right here. Then we will load the opt-in pages, webinar pages, and download pages. These are 100% done for you, so you just have to click and pick which ones you want to use. You're gonna have a preview right here. So again, opt-in page, webinar page, download page. You have the settings and also webinar video. All of this is editable, and essentially what you have to do is just add your affiliate link to these done for you promotions. Okay, so as you can see, we have the video link URL, and here in the settings we have affiliate link URL, and you can buy edit timer. You can do a download button text, that's optional, autoresponder code, Facebook tools, all the other good stuff that you might use or not, totally up to you, but they give you the options. Now let's go to the done for you funnels, because this is where you are getting all the value. Okay, so as you can see, we have 4 done for you funnels for selling webinar products for high ticket commissions. Okay, so as you can see, we got four. We got, again, done for you opt-in pages, done for you webinar pages, done for you download pages, and then we have traffic right here included, which means that you can start sharing it instantly. Now I'm going to show you example pages from this first one, simple Wi-Fi profit. So the opt-in page looks like this. As you can see, everything you need is right here. You just plug and play it, and obviously if you're going to hook up your autoresponder, then you're going to be getting all the leads. Then the webinar page URL, as you can see, this is how it looks like. So we have a 3-hour webinar and everything else is included. So when people will click on this, yes I deserve this button, they will use your affiliate link and you will get the commission. Super simple. So again, people opt in on the squeeze page, they will watch this webinar page, they will use your link, and then we also have the download page. And on the download page right here, as you can see, you can provide any bonuses you want to provide to your buyers. Okay, so again, this is 100% done for you. All you have to do is really pick the webinar of your choosing and then add your affiliate link, set it up in a matter of seconds. And then once all of this is set up, all you have to do is click on traffic, and as you can see, you can start sharing it. So you can share it on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, email, Viber, Telegram, WhatsApp. You know, we have all of these different platforms: Dig, StumbleUpon, Flipboard, even Skype, Blogger, and MySpace. So pretty crazy. Again, so traffic is included with this, and a part of that, when you're going to click on training right here, you're going to get massive training on both how to use it, how to set it up, and also how to make money with it and how to generate more traffic. Now with my bonuses, you're going to get tons of different traffic sources as well. So this is just something extra that will help you generate more traffic and help you generate more commissions. That's essentially it. This is what you're going to get inside. As you can see, we have a bunch of additional features right here, but these are the OTOs, and we will talk about the OTOs in a second. Okay, so again, 100% done for you. High ticket promotions with the webinars, with the opt-in pages, with download pages, with traffic. All you have to do is add your link and start promoting it. Now let's check out the pricing and all of the upsells. So as you can see, early bird from 9 a.m. Eastern to 3 p.m. Eastern on May 7th will be $17.97. Absolutely crazy, especially when you keep in mind that you can make $1,000 per commissions. Okay, so keep in mind that's the early bird price. Early bird price starting at 3 p.m. till midnight will be $19.97, and on day 2 $21.97, and after that the price will be going up gradually to $27. Okay, so if you do want to pick it up, make sure to show up early on May 7th at 9 a.m. Eastern. $17.97, a total no-brainer. Now once you're going to pick it up, you will be presented with a few one-time offers, a few upsells. These are optional, but if you want to make your life a little bit easier and make more money, then I'm just going to tell you what it is so you can make an informed decision. Now, OTO number 1, we have the unlimited version for $67. OTO number 2, we have 100% done for you, which are additional done for you campaigns, $97. So you're getting 4 done for you campaigns. Right here, as you can see, if you're going to click on done for you funnels 2, you're getting an additional let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, additional 7 done for you campaigns. Okay, so again, not necessary, but you can make more money this way. So that's OTO number 2. Big ticket commissions, OTO number 3, unlimited traffic, $97, which essentially allows you to put your pixel from Google or Facebook on the sales page for big ticket commissions and funnel the traffic out and sell anything. 30K per month, that's big ticket commissions. OTO number 4 for $67, so how to scale it up. OTO number 5, super affiliate for $67. These are additional tools that will make your life a little bit easier, or a lot easier as an affiliate. To you can become a super affiliate. And license rights, OTO number 6, $197, which allow you to sell this whole funnel, not just the main product, but the whole funnel as your own product, and keep 100% on everything. Okay, so guys, that's the funnel, and right here on my blog I have a full written review and full funnel breakdown. So if you want to go deeper into it, I have all of the OTOs listed right here, so it says exactly what you're getting inside. Now let me show you all of my bonuses, because I have a huge and definitely the biggest bonus package to big ticket commissions out there. Okay, so no other affiliate has such a big package, and I can guarantee you that. First of all, What I'm going to give you is free custom-made bonuses, and these are with full PLR license, which means that you can use these bonuses as traffic sources, learn how to get traffic, and then you can also rename it, put your name on it, and sell or give away. So you can do whatever you want with these free custom-made bonuses, okay? Super powerful. Now I'm also going to give you 5 done for you campaigns, okay? So obviously you're getting all these webinars done for you, all these promotions done for you. I'm going to give you 5 additional done for you affiliate marketing campaigns, okay? Obviously a great complement to Big Ticket Commissions. I'm going to give you a bunch of additional software: Affiliate Warrior, Affiliate Promo Machine, Extreme Affiliate Page. So that's 3 additional pieces of software, actually 4, because you're also getting Affiliate Traffic Lab. I'm also going to give you a reseller's license to 3 of my products. Now, as you saw, Big Ticket Commissions audio number 6 is a reseller's license for $197. I'm going to give you for free as a part of this bonus. So Instavit, Traffic Trapper, and Traffic Extractor. I'm also going to give you a bunch of W's of the day and product of the day, awarded courses, again, all about traffic. So the more traffic you can send to these webinar pages, the more money you will make. $500 CPA every day, $200 cash hack, $300 CPA every day, that's CPA coffee shop method, $2,000 traffic jacker, instant traffic jacker, the commission magnet, the commission blueprint, the commission toolbox, a $100 CPA daily, pure profit payday, a WP video viral click, a WP affiliate advantage, image plus, list building expert, 100 e-course publishing tips, speedy content publishing tips, SlideShare tips, videos, and on top of all this, a bunch of additional plugins and software. Okay, so you're gonna get affiliate advantage plugin, giant plugin biz, sales page writing software, squeeze page creator, true text, iAsk, popbox, sales bar, shortcode call to action, client extractor, image grab, viral suite, action simulator, Facebook audience builder, instant publisher, pinbook, social tracker, traffic hoover, Facebook traffic engine, Facebook photo contest, responsive slider, YouTube video gallery, Pinterest portfolio, post grid, post widget, and WordPress courses plugin. Now guys, that's a total of 55 bonuses. And on top of all this, you're getting my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. So the total value of this package is huge. Again, $3,997 or more, almost $4,000 in bonuses you're getting for free. So if you would want to actually get these bonuses, you would have to spend $4,000. This is not some invented number. These are W's of the day awarded products, plugins, and software. So these are not, some PLR that I got for free. These are actual products. And all of these will be yours for free, just as a thank you for me for picking up Big Ticket Commissions through my link. And to pick up Big Ticket Commissions through my link, all you have to do is click on one of these blue links right here if you are on my blog. Now, if you're watching this on YouTube, first link in the description will take you to my blog, and the second link in the description will take you directly to the sales page, and you will be cookied, which means that wherever you click, you will get my bonus. So wherever you click from the YouTube video, you will get my bonuses again and again. Big Ticket Commissions goes live at 9 a.m. Eastern on May 7th. Make sure to pick it up from my link to get all of these bonuses. Check out my full written review, guys. As always, I have a full written review. I really spend a lot of time on these review videos and review posts for you guys, so you can really make an informed decision. So just to sum up this Big Ticket Commissions review right now, what I like about it is that this is all automated, big ticket, and commissions are over $1,000. Guaranteed results, almost. Obviously you need traffic, but this is almost guaranteed. If you would want to start all of this by yourself, you would just get lost, overwhelmed. This is all done for you, so almost guaranteed. 100% free traffic included, with all the traffic sources I showed you. The fastest and easiest way to bank 4 to 5 figures in commissions, definitely. All-inclusive solution and no monthly cost, guys. You're getting in for a one-time price of $17 if you're gonna get on the early bird. Beat the recession and live the life of your dreams. Definitely true. And What I don't like about big ticket commissions, so these done for you funnels have 2 to 3 pages each, which might seem like it's a little bit overwhelming, but it's not. Again, all you have to do is just add your affiliate link. So, this can be a minus or not, depending on how new you are to making money online. And then Glenn will host the pages for you. So in the long term, I would like you to have your own website and host all the pages, or wherever you want to host it. You should learn all of that. You should learn how to create these pages, how it all works. So they will host all of it for you, which is great if you're a beginner, but down the road I would like you to have your own website and do all of this yourself. Okay, so again, can be a minus, can be a plus. If you are a newbie, definitely a plus. If you are an advanced marketer, you might want to have the same pages on your own website. Okay, so guys, this is my big ticket commissions review for you. And before you go, let me just tell you how to actually get my bonuses after you will decide to pick it up through my link. So all you have to do is go to your purchase history on Warrior Plus. So click on your name right here in the top right corner on this icon, go to purchase history, find big ticket commissions amongst your purchases, then click on it, and below the button that says access your purchase, you should see another button saying bonuses for March. So this is done automatically. You don't have to send me emails or receipts. This will be immediately in your Warrior Plus account. Okay, so guys, again, at 9 a.m. Eastern on May 7th is when Big Ticket Commissions goes live. Make sure to pick it up from my link to get all of these bonuses. Definitely the biggest bonus to Big Ticket Commissions that is available when it goes live. If you have any questions, as always, please leave me a comment under this YouTube video. Please like this video. I really appreciate it. And subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. This was my Big Ticket Commissions review. It gets 2 thumbs up from me, especially for the price. One time $17, and you're getting 4 done for you webinar setups with $1,000 commissions. So a no-brainer. Pick it up from my link, get all the bonuses. Good luck with it, and I'll see you in the next review video. Ciao.